Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you this sexy makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to take the foundation matching to my skin tone. I've taken this shade or a bit of it on my palette, and with the help of the foundation brush, I'm going to apply all over my face. As I'm going to do a bold makeup look, so I'm going to apply heavy foundation on my face, giving it a full coverage. So make sure that the foundation you use should be a full coverage foundation. The best foundation which I like in nominal price range is of L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal True Match foundation. I really love that foundation. It gives you a full coverage, plus the price, it's also minimalistic. If you go for matte or clinic or some products of Huda Beauty, they are way too expensive. So I am done with it. Now with the help of this puff brush, I am going to blend this foundation on my skin so that my skin looks well blended with it. It doesn't look separated, having a separate skin tone. So I'm going to use it. Use this puff brush very lightly with very light hands on your face. So I'm going to gently blend this foundation on my skin. As you can see that the foundation had already started blending with my skin so well, giving it such a good coverage. You can see that it has given me the entire coverage on my face, and I am done with it. Now I am going to apply some of the concealer on the upper ledge of my eyes and covering these my dark circles. So let's begin. With the help of foundation brush, I'm going to apply it. If you want, you can use the concealer also, but right now I am preferring the foundation only so that it works well for me. I have done this. Now I am going to gently dab it on my eyes. See, makeup, it's an art. You don't need so many products to do a good makeup. You need to have minimalistic products, but you should know how to use them in a proper manner. This is what I believe. Now let's start with the eye makeup look. So the shade which I am going to use for my eye makeup, that's it's copper shade. So I'm going to use this shade, and I'm going to blend this shade with this shade. Okay, these are both two shades of brown, so I'm going to use them, and I'm going to make a transition. So let's start with it. So I'm going to take first of all a bit of light copper shade, and I'm going to light it. As I am done filling my eyes with this copper shade, now I am going to take a bit of shimmery shade. I am going to take this shimmery bronze shade and let's take off the extra powder. I am going to give it a transition. You can look the effect, how well it works. I love this palette. As I am done giving it a transition, now I am going to use this liquid, this eyeshadow. So I am going to take a bit of it, applying it on my eyes. As I have filled my eyes with this sparkling eyeshadow, now I am going to give a bit of transition to it and gently going to blend all these colors. So I'm going to take a bit of the light brown shade and, gently merge these colors so that they don't look so separate. What's the good part of the liquid these eyeshadows is that whenever you apply, you have to blend them immediately. If you take a long time blending them, they won't blend. They will stick at that paste. So I am going to gently blend all my shades very well. Just highlight these colors with the help of an ivory shade. So I am going to take a bit of this ivory shade highlighter and I am going to apply it. You can see how my colors highlight, you can see the difference, how well they look. Highlighting this area below your eyebrows, it's very important. I am going to take a bit of the light brown shade and I am going to apply here, just to keep a little bit, getting off the extra powder. The shade of the brown which I have taken is a very light shade. This shade I have taken, it's very light in color. It's having bit of creamy mixture in it. As I am done with my eyeshadow, now I am going to take this kajal and I am going to apply it. Now I am going to apply foundation all over my face again, so I have to dust the extra powder, Yeah. This gives a finishing to my look. I am done with it. Now I am going to use this puffy powder again. Dab it all around my eyes. I am done with it. Now the next thing which I am going to do is give a 3D image to my look. So I am going to use this concealer palette and the shade which I am going to use for concealing is this light brown shade, and I am going to As I have applied concealer all around my face, now I am going to blend it on my skin. This process usually takes time, so make sure that you do it with patience. But once it is done, it gives really a fine look to your face. As I am done concealing my face, you can look the difference before and after. Now I am going to apply blushers on my face. I am going to use this blusher palette, and the shade which I am going to use is, I am going to use this peach shade and bit of this pink shade, and I am going to mix both of them, dabbing off the extra powder and applying on my cheeks. you know. I just love this part, you know. Giving a smile, you dab off the extra powder. You can see how pretty my cheeks look now. Now it's time for highlighting, and I am going to use this highlighter. This highlighter I am having in this shade right now. So I'm going to use this, and with the help of my foundation brush, I'm going to apply a bit of it on my cheeks, above my cheeks. I'm going to apply. With the help of my fingers, I'm going to take this and I am going to gently dab it here. Just to give my eyes a highlighting look, I am going to apply a bit of highlighter here also. Actually, I love this part. I want to highlight my crease line always. So I'm done with it. And with the help of this, my eyeshadow brush, sorry, I'm going to apply it in the inner lid of my eyes also. You can look the makeup look, it's almost complete. Now I'm going to apply the false eyelashes and the lipstick offline. As you can see that I'm done with my makeup look, and how amazing it looks. You can see it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Trust me, your one like, it's a big motivation for me, and it can boost my energy to bring more amazing videos for you. Till then, bye bye, take care.